Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our video of the best coffee maker for lattes. Watch until the end to know our best recommendation from the list. Our list begins with Breville BES870XL. This semi-automatic coffee maker is equipped with a conical burr grinder. The latte machine also gives you control over the grind size, since it has a grind size dial. Adjusting the coffee flavor is easy with the coffee maker since it features dose control grinding and digital temperature control. It also contains a hot water dispenser that you can use to preheat the latte. This model is large and tall, and therefore needs enough space on the kitchen counter. Keurig K-cafe. If you're looking for a user-friendly coffee maker for lattes, consider this model. It comes with a stainless steel frother that is easy to use. This can automatically froth milk until it's foamy. The water reservoir capacity of this single-serve semi-automatic coffee maker is 60 ounces. This is among the best coffee makers, since it is easy to clean after use. We like its simple button controls and its ability to brew coffee quickly and consistently. Delonghi EC155. This semi-automatic coffee maker lets you make adjustments to latte as per your taste preferences. Its 15-bar professional pressure leads to high-quality results each time. The coffee maker has a manual frother designed to mix milk and steam to form a creamy and rich froth. Since the 35-ounce water reservoir and drip tray are dishwasher safe, you can save time using this coffee maker. Its water task also enhances convenience since it shows you the water level. Mr. Coffee Machine. Beginners can enjoy making a latte with this coffee machine since it has an easy-to-follow interface. It features an automatic milk frother and a 19-bar Italian pump that leads to robust coffee flavors. The manufacturer also equips it with a thermocouple heating system, which heats water evenly. It comes in an elegant design and is made with durable materials like stainless steel. Its adjustable cup tray can fit both short and tall cups. Philips 3200. Philips Coffee Maker is a fully automatic machine that stands out due to its style of milk frothing. It uses an automatic latte go system that produces silky milk froth for your latte. This coffee maker is also easy to maintain because it features an AquaClean filtration system, and it comes with a touchscreen display that makes it easy to use. Feel free to adjust the ratio of milk to espresso in your latte. Due to the inclusion of a ceramic burr grinder, you can brew with freshly ground beans. Which is the best one? The Breville BES870XL is the best, since it's a high-quality coffee maker that creates perfectly textured lattes. It's also versatile because it's suitable for commercial or residential use. This is an all-in-one coffee maker that can save you money because you don't need a separate grinder. That's all for today. Thanks for watching, and let us know which videos that you'd like to see next from us.